Okay, so what's up? Hanging out a little bit here. Yeah, look pretty cool. But you know what'd be cool right now? Is some music. Yeah, how about that? You like that one? So this summer, I'm thinking about just taking it easy, hanging out on my cell phone, texting a little bit. Yeah, I love texting. So my parents want me to get a job. I'm not sure what I should do. I'm thinking pizza. But you know what'd be better? Is a magic wand. I'm gonna get some pizza right now because I'm hungry. Yeah. So I'm thinking, if I'm working there right now, Charlie's probably gonna say, next order! Ha, Charlie, he's so crazy. But you know what'd be good with some pizza? Would be some music. Yeah, how about that one right there? You like that one? How about this one? That's the joint right there. Yeah. Maybe a little bit The Truth and some Kirk Franklin. Yeah, let's pump it up. You know what? I need to change this look up a little bit. Yeah, how about that cool shirt, huh? Alright, so you know what I really want to do? Elevate summer camp. Come on, let's crank it up a little bit. Elevate with me. Yeah!